Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to change a combi brake cable for Activa. You can see that this brake is now jamming and this is not working. See this is jammed. You can see that this is jam cable. When I press the lever, it doesn't turn back. So this is the issue of jam cable. So I'm going to replace it and how to this video. So we are using this aftermarket cable instead of using Honda genuine cable. I went to the Honda dealership because I want to buy the genuine cable, but there is shortage of the cable stock. So I decided to buy this Jaggi gold cable. This is also as a genuine cable and it cost me 150 with a return on 170 rupees. So we are going to install front combi brake of this scooter. This is front and back combi brake, and tools required for this job is socket. This is 14mm side and this is 16mm for easy access of opening of this nut quickly. Phillips head screwdriver. This special tool, we consider it special tool, is a piece of metal which I am going to show you what is the importance of that, and 8mm box wrench, or require what we say that box wrench 40mm, or maybe one plier, or this plier may require. So these are tools we require for this work. You can see that this is a screw. This is a screw I already removed from the what we say that. So I have removed that screw already, which is in my hand. You have to remove first this screw, this screw, this screw, and that screw. You have to open 5 screws for this and 4 screws for this panel. One there, second there you have to open it, third here which I got missing, and fourth you have to remove there. So I will be back after removing the screws. Okay, so I have removed all 5 screws of there. This one, and this is loosened. This is also loosened. That is one, don't care of that. 4 screws and 5, you already have seen that. So take it out, the head. It is easily to open. So disconnect these connectors. This one, take the headlight connector. Sorry, I have a single hand. This is a headlight connector and this is the left side indicator connector. Be careful, don't drop that. So we have removed all 3 connectors: left side indicator, headlight connector, and right side indicator. So place it here anywhere. Okay, so make sure that your screws are safe. Don't lose it. If you lost, then it may be difficult to buy another genuine part. So there is shortage of parts in company, or maybe they don't give it genuine part. I put it here. So you have to open this also. I will be back. So I have opened all the assembly of that Activa headlight and that front, and this is a combi brake mechanism. I will show you how to open it, but first you have to loosen this and take the nut out. So I am going to take this nut out. It disassembles wire without wasting any time. I will get back. The process is very simple. Take a 8mm box wrench and this special tool which becomes socket. This is 40mm side and this is 16mm side. We are going to use 40mm side to open this. Take it here. Take 8mm that box wrench here. Hold it and then start open with the help of Phillips screwdriver. It is very difficult job. I will get back after opening this. Hope you understand how it opens. It is very difficult to open because it got rust. So we have going to finish this work. Yes, success. So we have finished the work with disassembling of this wire. You can see that it is not easy to take out. Jammed. Here it is. It is totally jammed. You can see that it is jammed because there is we have lost this rubber here, and water goes in and dust goes in, which causes serious damage inside, causing very serious rust inside this wire. So we're gonna replace it. So take it up. Wait, I will wait. So you have to take that wire out. This is the front wire. You can see that you have to take it out. It is not a very easy job. Okay, wait. What you have to do is you have to take the wire out with force. Damage. Yes. Take that wire out. Okay. This is wire out. And we begin with the job. So first thing you have to do is you have to take these screws out. The Combi mechanism. 1, 2, 3. And keep these screws safely and safe place. First open this screw. I will tell you that you should not lose this mechanism because I tell what is the important thing you should not do with this. Save it. Kept in safe place. Second screw. I am speaking at a low voice because my parents are sleeping. I am doing my job at night. Hope you understand why I am speaking very lightly. Okay, so we have opened these screws and take this mechanism out. This rod should be like remove that rubber. Be careful and take this Combi mechanism out. See this? So this is a dead wire, dead cable wire. You have to pull it out and take it like that, and simple as that, and rotate it like this. You can see that. Rotate it and take it out from the cut and pull it out. Mine was broken. Open. I will take it out. Success. You can see that this doesn't work. This is jammed wire. So this is a jammed wire. You can see that this doesn't work easily. This is jammed. Jammed. So this is jammed. Throw it. And wait, my hands are dirty. Yeah. So this is the mechanism of combi brake. This is rear wire working up, and there is the installation of front wire. So you can see that there is a broken plastic of the new old wire, and don't lose this component. And this you should keep it carefully. You should not pull it out because there is spring inside it which control it for locking it. Don't lose it. If you have accidentally opened this, you have to go to a workshop and get it fixed. I will show you how to. So we are going to take a new cable. बहुत मुश्किल है यार, बड़ा मुश्किल काम है ये भी सारा। So there is new cable. It is also genuine part is not a. This is also an OEM company. This is a new cable. You can see that it is freely working, free friction, no friction is here. And there is plastic which I am showing in this, which was stuck there. I will remove it. So guys, I have took that broken plastic piece here which was stuck here of that old cable. You can see that here. It was situated here. So take a new wire. This is new wire. Then you have to put it here. Press the head of the wire here. Then twist it like here inside, and you can see that it was fixed. I will show you it. What the hell is this? So you can see that this is the wire head. You have to press that head here. Here, kya hai yaar? Wire head here. Press the head here, press the head here, and then twist it inside that lever clamp, and then install it. I will show you. So this is wire head, and there is cut. There is cut. That there is wire head. Put the wire head here, and put the wire here. Twist it here, and then install it there. Wait. Put the wire here. Put the wire here. Okay. It is not an easy job here. Okay, last chance. Oh my god, I have a trouble. Okay, no, fine. Okay, the thing which I not want that happened. So put that wire here, press here, and twist like here. And there it is. We have installed successfully a front brake wire. Okay, I will first find the things which I have thrown and lost it. So we found out things. This is a spring, main spring. You should not lose it. I mean, don't lose it. So see the assembly of this. This spring should be here, and it should be stuck here. You can see that this is a stucking point of that spring. So This is a, you can see that lever lock which is used in brakes. So there is that hook here, hook the spring there and put it like this is assembly of that installation of spring and this part. Wait, and don't lose this component. This is the limiter. This is situated here. Okay, there it is. And then with this assembly inside the spring, and this spring is here, put it here like this. And wait, you remember this tool? This help in putting the spring back. Last night I have rehearsal on it. Man, there it is. We have successfully installed that spring lock. Okay, this is the installation of this. So we have lock here perfectly fit with spring. Support that combi. You have to now shut off this whole assembly. You can check it now. This is the brake install line. Okay, so put that back. Okay, successfully, and put that rubber back, safety rubber. Then this screw should be installed here. This is special screw for meant for it. Second screw, third screw. Tight it is using a Phillips head screwdriver quickly. Okay, we have successfully installed front combi brake wire. You can see that it is moving freely. So now it's time to put this wire in the whole assembly. You should put this wire passing through. Wait, first I forget to remember that you have to take these walnuts before putting the wire back. So we have taken out all the bolts and that guide pin, put it here, and then take the wire, put it downwards, pass through here. Sorry, I want to pass from first corner, then second corner, then from mudguard side there is the hole for mudguard coming in for violet inlets. For wire inlets there is, keep on pressing the wire until it came out from the mudguard. Okay, from now last corner it came out with success. Oh, okay. Don't worry, you have to put it in the collar. So here is the installation in, then from mudguard, then finally out. Now our final assembly is here. We are now at final assembly. Wait, take the wire here, get it from the second hole, take all that guide, put a new guide of new brake here, and then I think I have to forget to install the spring. This is a spring first. Put the spring back here. Now so install it. Make sure that the rubber should be properly seated here in this wire, and then press हो जाए. What the hell is this? Okay, fine. I think this rubber is not going in. It is out of the seat. So okay guys, forget it. Start screwing it. It will sit it automatically. So we are keep on pressing it. So we are back after screwing it back fully. Use this special tool which I have mentioned it. Take 14 meter. Keep on. As you can see that we are screwing in. This rubber is getting in. I am afraid that this rubber is not non-genuine and it is fat. It is not getting in. So after screwing it, it's getting success. Now keep screwing it. Keep on screwing it. So without wasting any time, I will get back so that I should make this video short, so it is easy to upload. I will be back. See the whole assembly. After screwing it, as you can see that my earlier videos, how to tighten the brakes. So I will be back without wasting any time. So it is glad to a success that we have fully installed this wire. This rubber came in. This is fully seated in, and we screwed it full back. And as brake now works. Wait. This is the full assembly, new assembly of the aftermarket cable. It is also a genuine cable. And this is the old guide. So we have successfully completed our job. You can see that a wire fully installed in the collars and that in that combi brake system. So this wire, we considered that wire is working. Earlier it was not working, that old wire. So this is a combi brake lever which I'm sure that it is difficult to put, and it works. Jammed back. It works this. So hope you guys enjoyed the video and get a knowledge of it. So install your headlamp back. First put that wire back. Headlight wire, indicator wire, and this indicator wire. So put it back, sit it perfectly. Put 5 bolts here, there, and there, and install that front accessory, number plate accessory here. Put the screws back here, there, and there. So 5 nuts for this and 4 nuts for this front plate accessory. So I will be back. We make the connection, headline connection, left indicator, right indicator connection, set it back perfectly, then put the screws back. So friends, I have installed the all 4 screws, one there near the headlight, 2, 3, 4 and 5 for the head. Now we are going to install that accessory. You are going to install that screw here, and that I lost, and third here and fourth there. I will back after installing. So guys, I have completed my job. All the 4 screws of this chamber here I install their screw, and tomorrow I am going to buy that screw which I lost, and 4th screw there I have installed. So we have successfully done our job. Hope you like this video. So this is a jam cable. So most of the people complain that we have jam brakes, maybe due to that rusting inside that cable, or maybe due to over tightening of brakes. This may cause losing of mileage. So I advise to all those people who feel that brake is jam, check first that losing of the brake. First check it. If it doesn't work, then if you don't feel that there's any movement like this, then it diagnoses that you have a jam cable. You have to replace it. Hope you like this video. It takes a lot of time to do the job. Sorry for that. And thanks for watching. My next video may be brake shoe replacement of for rear or maybe front. Let's see which come first. When the maintenance time come, I will do the work related to that. So stay tuned for more maintenance video I will found in future. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you like this video. I love my baby Savior and that 220cc Pulsar. I love them all. This is my factory. You know that I am a hosiery worker. And there is my Activa, then old school vehicle there. Love you guys. Stay tuned. Keep subscribing. Bye. Last movement again. Let's make easy. No jamming. Movement in the lever. Then movement of the back lever. It is okay. Bye. See you soon.